Okay, do you think that we can defeat Bob? Yeah, because the last thing he did was just, oh my god, gory gore. He tried to kill someone. Yeah. Time to go to sleep. Wait. I always come back. There is news coming right now. Bob the killer has been found in his room dead by a fire. And a prisoner it was Smoker. He was called Smoker. He was found in a cage locked up and he was trying to escape. So this is the end of it. Okay. Bye-bye. I Bob too. Please stop.